Hello students, good evening all. Hope you all doing well. So today we are going to learn about what is how we are going to speak in English, right? Spoken English session is there. Okay? I hope I am audible to you. Yes. Okay. So today we are going to see how you are going to speak with the confidence, and we are going to see with the characters as well. Okay, I'm going to explain everything with the character. We are going to do practice session as well, right? So spoken English is very important, as everyone know, right? We'll just wait for 2-3 minutes so that student will join. Till then, let's discuss why this spoken English is important, right? Nowadays everyone is like many job seekers are there, correct? In the market many job seekers are there, and why they are not getting the job, why they are not getting the placed? No, the answer is not the skill. The answer is the lack of confidence. The answer is the lack of spoken English skill, right? They know they have the skill, right? They have their hard skill, but they have lack of soft skill, right? It is very important to build soft skill, correct? Because with the help of that soft skill you can crack the interview, right? So how we are going to start spoken English? In simple ways we are going to learn in today's session. Okay, so let's start. What is today's goal? Today's goal is simple sentences without waiting for perfect grammar. We are going to speak. We are going to speak simple sentences without waiting for perfect grammar, right? It is There is no issue if you guys are lacking in the English grammar. No issue. First, you need to start speaking in English, right? So how we are going to do that? That we are going to see in upcoming lecture. Use natural phrases in everyday conversation, and how we are going to use this natural phrases in everyday conversation, that we are going to see in coming few minutes. Okay, ask and answer questions confidently. Okay, you need to ask and answer the questions very confidently. Okay, participate in role play and live chat activities. If you guys want to improve your spoken English skill, right? So try to be interactive in this live session. It is very helpful for you guys. This interactive session is nothing but a like role play, we can say, right? You can ask me your doubts in English, I will give you the answers, right? So in this way your English will improve day by day, correct? So let's move ahead. First tip is there: stop translating word by word. You need to stop translating each and every word, right? Word by word translation, no. Okay, so what you are going to do, you are going to practice. Look around and describe what you see. Okay, whatever you see, just try to describe that thing. Try to describe whatever you are seeing around, looking around. Try to describe the things. That way you will collect like numerous vocab with you, and once you have vocab, then you can use that in your sentences, correct? My mind is not coming, it's the wrong one. This is not the thing, means you are going to, here you are translating the thing word by word, which is wrong, correct? So I can't think of anything, this is the correct answer. I can't think of anything, right? If you guys want me to explain this in Hindi, I can do that well. ओके। अगर समझो आपको इंग्लिश में समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो आप कैसे करोगे, करेक्ट। आई कांट थिंक ऑफ एनीथिंग, मतलब अभी मैं कुछ समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ, राइट। ओके, आई कांट थिंक। ओके, नेक्स्ट, यूज द सिंपल सेंटेंस पैटर्न। हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डू, डेली लाइफ में आपको सिंपल सिंपल सेंटेंसेस यूज करने हैं, सिंपल पैटर्न। आई वॉन्ट टू, आई नीड टू, आई एम गोइंग टू, आई थिंक, आई फील। अभी हम देखेंगे एग्जाम्पल्स, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू यूज दिस इन योर डेली लाइफ, करेक्ट। आई वॉन्ट टू, अभी कौन से ऐसे सेंटेंसेस रहते हैं जहाँ पे हम ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर, सिंपल सेंटेंसेस, ऐसा पैटर्न हम यूज कर सकते हैं, वो अभी हम देखेंगे। आई वॉन्ट टू, I want to improve my English, right? I want to improve my English. Like this, try to create small, small examples, small, small sentences. I want to learn English. I want to go to the gym, right? Likewise, you can create at least 10 example of each of this pattern. Okay, it would be very helpful for you if you create 10 example of each pattern and daily, right. So you would be having bunch of statements with you which you are going to use on daily basis, correct. That would be very helpful to improve your spoken english skill, right. Now how you are going to use this I need to, correct. I need to make a call. Now you guys can give me in the comment how many sentences you can create it with the help of this I need to. Which sentence would be there? Which sentence you can create with the help of I want to? Yes. Yes, you can comment in the comment section. Yes. Try to make the session interactive so that it would be very helpful. Try to write the sentences which are starting with this pattern I need to, I want to. Now I have given you the two sentences, right? So try to solve. Yes. I need to make a call. I want to improve my English. ऐसे कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स आप मुझे दे सकते हैं कमेंट में. ट्राई टू गिव मी एग्जाम्पल्स. यस, ट्राई इट. यस स्टूडेंट्स. Yes, correct. I want to prepare. Right. You can make number of examples. Okay. Next, let's see. I am going to. Okay. I am going to the market. I am going to the market. Likewise, you can create I am going to the school. Wherever you are going, I am going to the gym, right? I am going to the market. I am going to the gym. I am going to the hospital. I am going to the college. N number of option, n number of examples are there in daily life, correct? So, with this pattern, you can try to speak English, correct? Next, I think. I think this is good idea. Correct. I think this is good idea. I think this is great choice. Like small sentences you can create which will make the big difference. Okay. It is very important, guys. If you try to speak English, once you know the grammar, right? But you don't know how to speak, how you are going to speak English, correct? First, make the simple sentences, not the big one, not the complex sentences, correct. Use the simple word. I want to, I need to, I am going to, I think, right, I feel. So this is the second tip, correct. First tip is there, no word to word translation. Okay, local language to English, no word to word translation should be there while learning or speaking the English. Okay, I feel. Now let's check what would be here. Okay. I feel. I feel a little nervous, right? I feel a little nervous today, right? So these kind of sentence you can create. Hope you are getting my point. Okay, with these small sentences, with these small changes every day, you one day you guys would be very great while speaking in English. Okay, somewhere you need to start, right? So it is important to start today, right? Okay. Tip 3, learn phrases, not just word. Learn the complete phrase. Simple phrases are there available in the English, right? Not just a single word. Instead of agree, right? Learn I completely agree with you, correct? You are not going to use the single word, right? Agree and disagree, but you can use this I completely agree with you, I don't agree with you. Like this means learn the phrases, not just the word, correct? That particular word would be used in which kind of sentence, that is important, right? So learn phrases, learn this instead of this, okay? Instead of wait, learn could you give me a moment, could you wait for a while, like this. So this is the phrase. Instead of learning the simple word, simple just a single word, try to use this phrases, okay? Instead of understand, learn I see what you mean, okay? I see what you mean. Like this, you need to improve the English day by day. If currently you are using just a single word, it is okay, it is completely okay. But now, once you have seen the lecture, you can go ahead and use this kind of phrases in your daily life, right? That would be very helpful. Okay. Next, tip 4 is think in English. It is very, very important, right? You guys, if you want to learn any language, right? So first try to think in that language, right? Whenever we are learning our local language, at that time we memorize what word I should use then in that local language, correct? If I'm not, correct me if I'm not, okay? So similar way is there in the English. If you want to learn English, if you want to speak English, try to think in English. Small sentences you can create, right? For example, if I can create currently, like on current situation, I am teaching already, I am teaching English. This is like 3 word sentence is there, but important. Try to speak in English. For that, think in English, like I am getting ready. If you are getting ready for the office, getting ready for the school, right? I am making breakfast. Many people are there who are housewives, right? But they have the, like they have the feeling that I should learn the English to teach my child in English, right? So you also think in English, right? Whatever work you are doing, like if you are making breakfast, I am making breakfast, right? I am making dinner, right? This kind of simple sentences you guys can create, right? My phone is on the table. My phone is on the table, correct? It's raining outside, like this. I'll call you later. I need to finish this work. All these simple sentences make the big difference, guys. Okay, it's very important. Every day we use these words, right, in local language. So just replace that in English, right? My table is on the table. My phone is on the table, right? It's raining outside. Nowadays, rainy season is there. So you can use this sentence as well. It's raining outside, correct? So think in English and apply that in your daily life, okay? Next is, your goal is communication first, perfection later, correct? You can correct the sentence later afterwards. First, at least try to speak in English, whatsoever it may be. Might be there are many error, might be there are many grammar mistakes, no issue. Might be there is lack of confidence, no issue. Today you have lack of confidence, today you don't know grammar, but once you try to speak, try to learn, then everything would improve. Your grammar would be improved, your confidence would be boosted, correct? So I am afraid to speak English, it's okay, no issue. Many mistakes are there, I am afraid to speak English, no issue. So mistakes are the part of learning. Speak anyway. Mistakes are part of learning, right? So speak anyway. No issue if grammar is wrong. no issue. If there is like pronunciation is wrong, no issue. First try to speak. Okay, use natural fillers. Now you are going to use these natural fillers. Well, actually I was thinking this, like, let me think of it, right? You know, to be honest, as far as I know. So you guys can do one thing. Once you see this lecture, right? Not if many people are there who are not live, or many people might be busy currently, they would see the lecture afterward. But whenever you see the lecture, give me the sentences by using this natural fillers. Well, right? Actually, let me think. You know, to be honest, as far as I know. Okay, ask better questions. Now on daily basis you ask the question like, where is my pen, like where is my shirt, where is my pink t-shirt, where is my phone, like this. Try to make the better questions. What do you mean? Could you explain that? What happened? How did you do that? What do you think? Could you say that again? Like this. If you are not getting one point whatever I'm teaching to you, at that time you can ask me, could you please say that again? What do you mean by that? Right? Could you please explain again? Okay, could you please explain that? How did you do that? This kind of questions you can ask while speaking English. Okay, say the same idea naturally. Basic, I don't know. Natural, I'm not sure. Casual, I have no idea, right? The same idea is here. Like, I don't know. Okay. But naturally, how we speak, I'm not sure. And casually, I have no idea. Okay. In local language, in many local languages as well, one sentences can be used like n number of meanings are there. Correct? So, how you speak is important. Basic, natural, and casual. Now your turn is there. Give one more way to say I don't know. Okay. How you can say this I don't know in another word? Try to give the answer in the comment. Okay. Give me the answer. Yes. Correct. Try to give me the answer in the comment. Give me one more way to say I don't know. How you can say this? Don't know. Okay. You can give me answer in comment. Okay, let's move ahead. Now we are moving ahead to the character conversation. Okay, how the conversation is there. Ria is the English learner, Amit is the friend, and teacher is here. Okay, so let's see Amit and Ria. Okay, so conversation is here. Meeting a new person. If you are meeting a new person, what Ria will say? Hi, my name is Ria. What's your name? Amit will say, hi Ria, I'm Amit. Nice to meet you. Ria, nice to meet you too. Where are you from? Correct? Then what Amit will say? Amit will say, I'm from Pune. What about you? So this is the conversation between the two person whenever they are meeting each other. Okay. Suppose Ria is seeing Amit. Okay. So this is how they can start their conversation. Okay. It is very important. Try to do this. You can try with your sister. You can try with your mother. Okay. The same thing you can try with, okay, anyone. Okay, just to improve your English, try to speak English. Okay, you can use the same sentences which I have written over here, right? That is also good. Okay, next, what should Ria say now? Amit is saying nice to meet you. Where are you from? What would be the answer of this, guys? What would Ria say? Yes, you can give me the answer in the comment. Okay, try to solve the answer. Okay, no issue. Answer is I am from Pune. What Ria will say? I am from Mumbai. She is from Mumbai, so Mumbai. Okay. Next, wrong versus natural English. What you are doing? Okay, it is wrong. What you are doing? Wrong. It looks like it is correct, but it's wrong. Correct is what are you doing? We have seen yes no type question, or generally question, in the question helping verb would be first there, correct? So what are you doing? Not what you are doing. It's wrong. I am having two brothers. Now see, it's completely wrong, but generally many people use this sentence. It's completely wrong. I am having two brothers. Wrong. I have two brothers. Correct. I did not understood. Wrong. With did you cannot use V2. Correct. I did not understand. V1. Discuss about the poem. Discuss about the problem. Wrong. Discuss the problem. Okay. It is very important to speak on daily basis. Okay, but how you are going to speak? Not like this, but this. Okay, whenever you are speaking, try to correct yourself, right? First of all, think and then try to speak. Okay. Role play, you can choose any role play. Okay, customer and waiter, employee and manager, caller and receptionist, customer and shopkeeper, interviewer and candidate, two friends planning a day. Likewise, you can create the role plays and try to speak in English. You can take this as an game, right? Well, if two brothers are there, you can play customer waiter, anything. You can pick any role play and try to speak. Okay, try to speak. If customer and waiter is there, so what customer would be talking? What customer would be speaking to waiter? First of all, he would ask waiter to give the menu card, like, hey, hi, could you please give me the menu card? Could you pass the menu card, right? So what options are there today in the breakfast? If the customer is looking for the breakfast, so he will be asking what options are there in the breakfast. Likewise, you can create this role play conversations, very important to improve your English skill. Okay, because end of the day you are going to give the interview, right? In that interview, interviewer candidate is also here, so it is very important. You can speak with yourself also, like in the mirror, right? By treating yourself as customer and waiter both. Okay, so try to solve this, try to implant this. Okay, very important. Okay, role play. Next, 7 day, how you can plan your 7 day spoken English. First is introduce yourself for 60 seconds, not just like hi myself and your name, right? Hi myself Meena, I am from Pune and I have done everything whatever you have done. So try to introduce yourself for at least 60 seconds. At least 60 seconds. In 60 seconds, many more sentences you can create, correct? In day 2, describe your daily routine from morning to night. Describe your daily routine. Okay, this is for day 2. For day 3, talk about your family. About your family. For day 4, describe your favorite place, whatever your favorite place might be it's one cafe, whatever it may be. Choose the place which you can explain it correctly, okay, which you can describe it, right? Day 5, tell a short past experience, whatever it could be, past experience. For example, one interview you have given, what that interviewer asked and what answers you have given, and how that experience was, you can give it. Give your opinion on a topic. Choose any topic and give your opinion on that. For example, is internet good or bad, right? Anything you can choose. is brain is good or beauty is good, whatever you can choose any topic. Okay, and give your opinion on that. And day 7, have a 3 minutes of conversation, right? Conversation is very very important. Okay, likewise you can plan for speaking in English. This is the 7-day plan. Okay, important, apply in your life. There is a simple formula to speak in English, right? First is listen. First you need to listen what the person is saying, what is person is asking. Next is think over it, right? Next is thinking, and then speak. After that, correct if something is mistake, if you have mistaken somewhere, right? Lastly, repeat. So this is the formula. Okay, don't wait for perfect English. Start speaking with simple English today, right? Start speaking with simple English. No issue. Okay? Perfection will come slowly, slowly. Gradually, you would get perfect. Okay? But you need to start from somewhere. So start it today. Okay? With simple English, with whatever tips I have given you in this lecture, right? So your challenge is speak English for 10 times today. Today's challenge is you need to talk in English for 10 minutes. Okay, so this is all about how you can start speaking in English. Okay, this is all about the starting of your spoken English career. So I hope you are finding this videos very helpful for you. You can share with your friends as well. Okay, so we will stop over here and we will meet in another session. Thank you guys.